Hello everyone. Today I wanted to share a new product that I'm using for my project for the 3D printed e-bike. So I got a gearhub, and the company that makes this new gearhub is called Kindernay, and they're a Norwegian company. And this gearhub is pretty innovative and pretty cool. So usually the gear hubs are one block, one piece, and then you attach the spokes to the rim, to the wheel. Now this gear hub instead has a different system. Let me show you how it works. So basically they have a new system called swap, and the hub is attached to this system is called swap, that is connected to the rim via the spokes. So the hub is independent from the wheel, and ideally you can swap wheels. Let me show you here. So basically you can separate the hub, where are the gears, from the actual wheel. So here this guy is for, it's for a fat bike. So I got for a fat bike, and has a 32 holes, spoke holes. And so this you can attach the spokes to the rim. Basically the rim, the wheel, becomes independent from the hub. So for example, if someone has different wheel size or different rims, different tires, you can just swap the wheel and keep the hub. So you don't have to have two different hubs for two different wheels or many other, which is pretty interesting concept. So you basically attach the hub to the wheel. Here there are 6 spokes, 6 screws, you know. It's pretty easy, and so on. You may understand. So torque arm, 12mm axle, through axle. It comes with a 16 spoke, 16 T cog. What else? 32 spokes. I just said it. It supports 543% gear ratio. So it's a 14 speed. Basically, it's around 14% per gear interval. 12mm axle. This guy is for a fat bike, and is the width is 190 to 197 millimeter, and the weight is I measured before is 1.7 kilos, just the hub. So in addition to the hub, there is a disc brake, which is 190, I think, 190 millimeter, and is custom. So you cannot use a normal disc since it attaches to the same screws that where the gear hub attaches to the swap system. Okay, so you cannot use the standard ones. It comes without, when the ship it comes without the oil, so you need just to insert the oil inside the gear hub. There is a I don't know if you can see here, there is a screw where you put the oil in, and this is the system for shifting. Has two lever, left and right, and one goes up and one goes down. I know that they are coming out with one lever system. I'm not sure when they will ship it, probably next year. And this, of course, is hydraulic. And what you do, you attach it on this side. And basically, attach it on this side, goes inside here, and that's it. So it's a pretty interesting concept. Let me show you. It says through axle, so 12 millimeter in this case. They have this system even for normal bikes, no fat bikes. So it's very interesting. The cost is pretty high. It's above, I pay, I think, 1,200 euros. This was, I ordered it in April, and now it's November. They were a bit late in shipping. Besides, there was all this madness that's going on in the world. So it's expensive, but these gear hubs, the cool part of these gear hubs is the low maintenance, or basically no maintenance, beside the oil change. And I will use it for my project for the e-bike. I will substitute this guy with a custom made for a belt drive system, 3D printed. I will do it. So it's going to be very interesting. The torque arm is very well made. And I don't know, it's very different concept from standard gear hubs. The swap system it gives a lot of interesting scenarios, use case scenarios, right? Let me remove the screws so you see again how this system works. Okay. Basically, gear hub and wheel. It's going to be interesting to see how people start to use it. For all the details, and there is a FAQ on their site. It's very extensive. You can go to the Kindernay website. The only thing, it doesn't come with a pretty box, but that doesn't matter. And they ship it with some literature, some details about the hub and how you build the wheel. So there are all the details about the spokes and all the dimensions, all that kind of stuff. They suggest to use spokes with the 135 degrees. They call it 45 degrees, but when you try to buy it, they always measure this angle, so it's 135 degrees. So you can, they say where to go to measure, to see what's the measure of the spokes to be used for a particular rim. And you know, there are all the details here, the warranty, information about the warranty, torque, and all that thing. So here, assembly installation. They have on YouTube. They have their channel where they show how to replace pieces and how to assemble, how to change oil and that kind of stuff. So it's very interesting, very innovative for me. This concept is really cool. I think it's really cool because you can swap wheels and have one hub. So you have one hub, different wheels. I'm not sure how much it will cost you to just have different swap system. So this one, how much it will cost? I think was it 100 euros, but I'm not sure. So don't quote me on this. They included even a adapter for the brake, since the brake disc is 190 millimeter. So it's not the standard size, or 203 or 180 isn't in the middle. So they included an adapter here. So I'm doing all custom, so I will not have a problem to adjust this because I can just change and adapt my design on the frame. So that's it. If you have any question, you can just comment. Please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.